In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to extend a meeting time on Outlook Calendar. Whether you've realized that the allotted time for your upcoming meeting is insufficient or an important discussion requires additional minutes, Outlook makes it relatively simple to adjust the meeting duration to suit your needs. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, you'll need to open your Outlook Calendar. This is where all your scheduled meetings and appointments are displayed, so head over to your calendar and locate the meeting you wish to extend. Once you found it, double-click on the meeting entry. This action will open the meeting details page where you can see all the information related to that specific meeting, such as the subject, location, and time. Now, with the meeting details page open, focus your attention on the time settings. You're looking for the end time field here. Click on it and change the time to the new, later time that you desire. Be sure to ensure that the new timing works for all participants to avoid any conflicts. If necessary, you can also adjust the start time or date in the same way by clicking on their respective fields. This flexibility ensures that your meeting can be rescheduled comfortably without any hassle. For those dealing with recurring meetings, an additional step is required. As you modify the meeting's time, you'll encounter a prompt asking whether you wish to update only this instance of the meeting, apply changes to this and all future instances, or the entire series. This step is crucial as it determines how your updates will affect the meeting schedule. Select the option that best suits your situation. A careful consideration of whether the schedule change should impact just one meeting or all of them is vital, particularly if the same group meets regularly. Now that your adjustments have been made, it's time to finalize everything. To do this, click the Send Update button. This button is typically located at the top of the meeting details page. Clicking it will save your changes and send notifications to all attendees about the new meeting time. It ensures that everyone involved is on the same page and knows about the updated schedule. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to extending a meeting time on Outlook Calendar. Remember, it's all about making sure that everyone is informed and accommodating their schedules effectively. Proper communication through these updates can help maintain efficiency and respect attendees' time. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helped clarify the process for you. Feel free to refer back to this video whenever you need a refresher.